Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you all.
Hello. Wo voyage joy dead be la diana. 7 days or wagba a black in ya wajo even change 7 good days to ogba no wake bossa wa me gbalazi no ruwe o wa himi no wa manu ekenu na ya toge ni no wa na kun because you wa no room manin o ma no gie we ya ike sun akin anu e wo to Africa but me wo ni ya dead gbe no ragbon mi awa ya hinu we the 7 days area cemetery eva ya na here the last women we oga e mata o gele ta wo ge no ba me oga e mata no we kwa ya master ri ho wa me no bi aga no pe o dazi no keke mo ke wo giaso then ni ka oni unyagma Gian Zorwe no Egbejo, one of France, is aka Zanzan. Ebe yoni, wa uge, tu aga biki ebe webona. We aga sono, bi aga sono ho. Aga sono mo, bo aga sono mo we. Aemi mo bi yeke nyeda gbo we aga ki. Except enota, geleno kwa master ri ho wa gume wo ka ona ri gume pogeba. Uwa we so kiani, wa we so bugare baba we. Uwa weso ugare baba we oga egele matakele no wa egele semnu oge nu mujo kiamo huna enika ohia ni azorwe no egbe go pa me ejo one of France aka Zanzan then wa yayaru mani guy eve okay agare dagunwa eve wa aga mi ebo we wa aga mi ba fo wa aga mi ba bi eyore eve aka ya unwa ya nki ogwa ugwa mana tsabe no sopo no ya je kwetu wa pa mo oge na wa ja anu mo bi kenye da gbogbo aga kin ugwa aga popo we no ko kiza ugwa se ojo yezine wa ko me bless ta ya hu no ju wa o ugwa mana tsabe no ya dere no wa ya karu menwa no wa ya tagwe so wa pasa we ni ga zo weki ugwa ya gbe mo su kwa ya mo oge na jo mo ugwa gbe mo su kwa ya mo oge na yo mo o ba lo ta gbogbo aga kin lenu wa ya ju ko ni ya eke nu wa la ya geke ogba ogwono ala tu jana la tu wa ma ko me nwa me yu pu yo to isu wa o ki wa hunu wa jo guy ene ete no ni me bo kwe fa te no te bet na inwini ye me mu me wa isa otoneto mu o ya to mo no gie wo huni o e ba ni bu ana ra to mo no gie wo huni very yo am me sure we just am we ni ne bo am we bu e ba kokako make sure we ke ya ni Allah ya make sure we iyi seni ni Allah ya make sure we ja we sure support my social media ya nu ke gbosa o mai balance no ruwe wa de pepa e dragon of France wo bu menwa go to ba me pa o menwa me no wa go to no gie wo huna because e bi ni mo pa ma eva o menwa ga ro bi e neba e bi ni mo na pa ma eva maka mu se do menwa na ona mo bo pe me be do mo na enu me umenwe na pomi bonye pe me yeke ona bonye pe me yeke ekeke na na tele no o zeke kwa aga mi o palo kwa aga mi wa je gbe mi mo bi yeke ni aja gbogbo aga ki wa ko me bi e to wi yu wa hu no ju wa o wa ki asi oge na yu mo umere e ti o wo to da me hu wa e ti o wo to ki amuru wa ye oge no wa ba me without that eni ka o ya ki apagbe no wa e pe ni hu ya ti apagbe no wa asoma bo yan vibe asun ya apagbenu wa van apagbenu wa bi eyore apagbenu wa eke mi unu e ho sokokto nuru ri lo gweji talking akiwe mi ame akiwe mi ame bo ko akiwe mi ame ba fo akiwe mi ame ba bi eyore eyo ka jenu e sansan one of France Okwe okwo gie wo huni. Wenu wa ya sumani. Wenu Benu wa ya rubbish me. Gay. Eve ari ya ho wa bi wa ko we wa na tu ko ni. Eve obalo oria e da gun wa agakin. Wa de gbe mi ya gbori ere. Wa de gbe mi pe na wese nu wa. Wa ku go. E go ni ya kin adu ayu wa bo. O fi to no gbe mi wa e do wa kin no ka e mo po. No ga e mo to wa. Eri oga se wo wie. Eri oga se ba from. Eri oga se ba bi e yore. E Samson one of France. Job will never know peace, no joy, no happiness. A joy we're talking with V. A joy we're talking with Ballo. A joy we're talking with me here. Fefe no go Ballo back my deck be so bo. A yoga shevo we. Where I got we are so we are no western. Where I got so no western. Who went to what he over fear the sort of water ministry. Why not with me? Why ya fear? Did you want to give Wahuni? Or talk about can be sure enough go to the office here? Okay, let me be sure enough back. I was sent on my own way. I was sent on my own way. Ishore, who take best shore than me, I know your body. I was sent on my own way. Who take best shore than me, I know your body. Why can't I have not I will tower? Let's say I know what you're not going to why I who take best shore. Ishore never be sure with you away. Where take best shore will show them about shore about here. And you have shed over here, and you have shed over. Then why I assume I am a kuni. At the name a certain water ministry, no the best one in me. Why are you who tie? And you have shed in Jesus Christ. I was say, and now Nishore. I was say, and now Nishore. You should have get back on many other sort of water ministry. What was you? What was you? What was you? There you Eve Obalo Ayahuwa. Obalo, who work by a massa of Masowa, who want to have a Masowa, who are you know who is such a water ministry to have Masowa, and you have shared in Jesus Christ. Gunuwake Bossa, Wamek Balazino who way. Nuwake Bossa, Wamek Balazino who way. Yeah, make sure we hunt you wait till the last day. Where take me your ho, Jory? Who take me your ho? No one send where you no one send ya be we sure. And you can share the Jesus Christ. And you can share the TN cow. Better than any level on we should. Better than any level on. What be was away who saw when he got so wiggy. What be was away who saw when he got so wiggy. No ke bossa, my balazino away. A book was second a lazino orgy. No wake bossa kederade. No can humiliate here. No can here. No can condemn here. Women know we are going to oh, you have killed boy. Yat summer we get baby who ya mutiame, near Binani in Weshore. Yat summer we who walk now or mutiame, near Binani in Weshore. Yat summer we go Mayano in a quavani or mutiame, near Binani. Yat summer we got no goni or mutiame, near Binani in Weshore. Yat summer we got all never shaveni or mutiame, near Binani in Weshore. Yat summer we got no go. Omutiame ni yagbini binani. Omutiame. Ira khon. Imami okbe mami ho. Ili e weda de. Obo ya na latian, he ya na latian. Rutan we. Iya me gbe gome be WhatsApp be reply yan bo ke no ma. Eyan ya seme aye. Ishore. Wede gbe mi no we se no we agbon lore na. O take me no western we will take me no western we but take me no western except you when it done oh na manu imana when it done na go so wa ya ha dem wa ya ko mi te ya hi enyawa ya hi enyawa bo we o hi enyawa ba so to hi enyawa ba bi ehore okun no we are no paro ragba miti ya make sure we low at the last day jore wa hi no kai wo po no hi wo to wa. That is the promise before God. That is the promise before God. No wake bossa joro my balance in way. No take bossa my balance in way. Yaba take how choir master. This is of struggle nigga so wake. Oh money nera go jono. Oh money nera go jono. Ya sama we e ma ya asun avant. Unho pe anwo na iwe mi esi ni omudi ameni ya gbenegbe na we jore. Ya sama we hu pe anwo omuti ameni ya gbinigbina we igbina azebo so here e ya gara e ma ya ni kime ku evani e ya ro me ye keni ya gbinigbina we sho wona we me we ayafin wona we me o we ayafin no we kesi no we ke we ma be I will teach you the lesson that you will never forget. Ekune orisan oro wehi. I will show you the stuff Osawo Nigazo is capable of doing. Yeah, is a low way. What obu we? What obu we? Urekbo olawa. Ika is a low way jori. What obu we rekbo olawa. Bet it. That is a promise. Bakarosa. Eveya nevie. Teya osalo bwa wudazi. Benikao. Botaga no beni. Eya hiya gume guwezi. Eveya ni nuwasi nuwa opalo nuwasi yokia megbe. Uwa hiya gbe woju wa we. Ke no gwefo ke be Salt Water Ministry mana teata. Ge ema ya no hulo be Salt Water Ministry te ya asi wa ladi. Ke no gwefo ke no matter ni we Salt Water Ministry. Ya no hulo ne beba. Ya asi wa ladi. That is the promise. Ikewe hani ne do ya kegbe. Nebo ya rabona woto ne do te ya asi wa ladi. Wa bete. Oge no wa babe. Oge no wa babe. Oge no wa babe. No wa kegbo sawa me balance no ruwe. Ema no I say innocent one ro. Not say mata yo khiana. Mi hu khiana. Ibozege. Why is it bossa wa me balance no ro. Ekuni wa hunwa, but you will not like to see the other side of kun. Ya kama wewe the 7 days na ya de gba de pete go na a cemetery e ya vi go emeji na ya hi no ajo one of France a cemetery e ya vi go emeji o ka mi dan uni shore ni ho pa bo ko no gulo ni no rema ni ya bozoro ni shore but mi dan ishore na we fo yan ya ha be una we fo o ka ko le ma ya ni kai le ma o se Menovi akano no negi agbe o we ayafin a be bonu o hen abonu e ma ya bonu o ho sa bonu dowanu we mi o ho sa te ya bonu dowanu we mi ebo hama we can say to we agbe bo ju we ni we u we nu we ke ko le ma kwa be Salt Water Ministry we wa gege emieside o ko le akwa wa gege e mana ye ma me ni awe Oga hu adege we han runyare wo no kule yan kwa why gang up wa ya suma oni Menovi ya kan pe ke no ruma na ke ya obu wa ya vie ke no gwe ni anani ahin ni wa giele ke ya obu wa ya vie ke 6 feet wa ya hede 6 feet o wa ya hede 6 feet o wa ya hede o wa ya hede 6 feet wa o wa ya hede wa me no wa ke bossa wa me balance no ro azeti gbera oso ti gbera omo babe ti gbera uwo pe awon ko ni ro ba mo ye ti gbera obo duorian o he duorian ayela la duorian e mo ama koma no rime ku evane ya tege ko me won tawe ojian se ni aye ya na jeru ngwe me oni ugwe jore you are too small gay amiri diabazen oh my shane, Ishore don't make me remember the past. I can no tell Calagbera. You can no tell me. You will live to regret for the rest of your life. You will live to regret for the rest of your life. Let me yak been aware head your umahe. Umahe oguye. Umahe bavon. Umahe babia yori. Is a secret best known to me. Wa bebo juwe hene. Wa bebo jawe ya hene jori. Wa bebo jawe hene. Umahe kele mimi. Ya kama we have a message ya ni send go me ka bo abo he no river ni send go me ya file ya la dia very soon this one file ya la dia no jege e battle ni ka battle wuti ya the WhatsApp or Messenger ishore we jore ra ya tsama we o we na muzakeke eria muzamemi o fe no ru we jore o we hin o fe no re lolo o ikun oh working oh fenoruwe oh working jori you are just a rat no mind no derehe I bring your ministry up iten we musajo iten we hijo boya si mo kokonwe when I we are yafia you are bit more than you can chew isore you are bit more than you can chew kema ya no kwa yo doge ku ya la okay ma enye no hulo be Salt Water Ministry na okay ati obam iya ki hati ugwamu gai gwamana kie kum unyima dana no wa do Salt Water Ministry gwamana kie ke ladia ogwo ni na maso wa anybody no tawe emi don sawe me gazo wege o wa lele yan ladi o wa lele yan ladi ebo ama we can send wa here. That is the promise. No wa kedo wa me gbola sinoruwe ya izeluwa ya izeluwa ya be se godoku me ya mutia mo ejore ya sa godoku ni ya mi otowe ya mi a mesho ya mi otowe ya mesho ya mi otowe ejore anyway no kono ga agba medi ti je okono ga wegwedo ti a je no ejore okono ga egwedo ti kin a je no imasho wa ko we kenene zansa o dopa ya jowa yala ko we kenene zansa no ni ketori ori mo kan ki no ni ketori ori me o kan ki opo how your ministry grow you don't ever understand what total right take time ejore. Take time. Take time. Take time, Jory. Ejame goyinya ya ni ke no to taba. Take time. Take time. Ikperewe. He just say, ni kawe, emi ke ni we think you don't have the power. Jory, take your time. Take your time. And I will me wa ya fiam the salt and water ministry. Ya kam wa we here ko ye. Bi he mi he. You are very stupid and useless. No to ya muti ayoda ome. But poni ya ni me unu wejori. Una do muti ayoda ome. Do ame me gbikin ai. Do amo ohe ni ma obo e ma we. Wa na gang up wa wa be e ma hia no ho ho river. When o aya rubbish ni ekun. Ezanza ni no ro. 7 days we come aberewe. Number 2 day 2 no ro mejina. Ime kin aka mu we. Day 2 no or you got the 7 days the black in aya just change it up or you got the 7 days ya be cemetery me wani ya is a cemetery if you go when you to him where the graveyard ni ihi no wa be le gbe agu wa ya di o wa me kedo ki ewu na edi o ga ro me gbe ti that 7 days o wa mi o balo no se be gbe eve aya ho wa o balo aya ho wa o seka so wa aya ho wa Wana we me wa yafi. Wana we me wa yafi. E aze oti gbera. Bi ga gbe ni gbe ni jori. Oso oti gbera. Omo babe ya ti gbera. Ya se baba boni do ti e me messenger. Ni ga mo e me ati egu me messenger. Ya be go igun ya gwa ne wala o. Of you working. Wala wo wo. Iya bi hewe. Ima pa ma eva. Ima gi ohun nojo. Ohun ama bi ese obi jore yasioni. Mo gijoro hu so where I am no manuwa I daji fie mo gbo he gbo so anybody no matter ma again na wo wa lele choir master like anybody no matter ma ta ye na no when you feel level ye no when you do it come anywhere no hey wo wa ya lele like then wa ya do it ko down except wa tare no jewe ona ho o hia ne jori o na o ma no ro wa na mi wo no kite matane no omiokpa no rugu otuni wa mo ga bi hena ukokini ohuwa mami wa nete matanoro ihena to wa mo sokmu ihena wa no ge ma use wa hime wa mana yazo imasho mo ka be vie ma leba mo ye be tama wewe jore si adete de rona you are just a kid no my no dere he mo ka be kun ma leba Moje de time wewe see adete de runner. Ijore, you are just a kid. No my even no dere here. Be careful, Jore. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful, Jore. Be careful. Okbenu keria. This is the end of the road. Egbe me no we agano pe wana ba mi dan ya no. Egbe me no we agano pe. O wana ba mi dan ya no. Take time, Jore. Igo ya no kwa bo me ba ya no ezo you seka. You take time. Take time. No ezo you so. Igo ya no riye me ba siye. Take time, Jore. Take time. No ezo you me ropa. Because ige bodu mi ay mau, ige sau, umazi sa, ige me Jore take time. Take time. When I am ready. So get said the 7 days in it. Every day you have more than or except for why me no money. You just go to Menwa. After I have Menwa when they join or uya tamu menwa go to back on him we ba me ma be here aga do 7 days enough for me then akotone do somori ya ke bakpa ala taga no pe ni ake we do ya view boy ya wo leru even wa mi na u kere wa mi na ai da je fi mu gbo iye ka kotone do ni gbere ni ike mu ari awo leru o wa gbe wo ju wa to re ku ni gbe o wa kin agbe wo ju wa ya to wo ye yo gbe. Okay, o te Francis talking and me why? O te Francis why you we talking and me why? Oh me why? We all can me why? Ba talking and me why? Ba be yori. O te Francis ni except in wa accuse neba. Get kwa master gele di go wa gume. Di o ma go waro. Eh o go ma di go wa gume. Wa na ladia. Igbava no call me live video. O menwa. Igbava ni menwa ki la video rewa. Don't think I am joking. E mo onona okay akiwa ya ni to boy igbava o abeta mo menwe no ki live video e doka no kawe bukpo give no de gbeladi without that no peace for the wicked e France ni de gberi o henu okay yawo no jo e France iya kan aton ne iya fiye kegbo wo we fiye kegbo ba fa ya fiye kegbo ba be yori game house ya tamawe ebe na miza keke ebe miza mimi ya tama wewe mokpa eye meri adiagbon no oyira me na wo yo mo no ibe na miza keke ebe miza mimi ya tama wewe mokpa ra me adiagbon ona wo yo mo no ede no wo yo mo no ona he me ni wa itaga no pe ni ti ya pagbe no wa o to go no pe ni te ya pagbe no wa o to di no ho ni te ya pagbe no wa guy o te we si ni te ya pagbe no wa o pagbe no wa wo wi o pagbe no wa ba fa no wa ke gbosa ama gbalazi no ruwe no wa ke gbosa ama gbalazi no ruwe when muti aye wa ni guy na leru na mama we na hina na leru na chore o mama ama we na hina isore no me say na leru na o mama ama we na hina. You will pay dearly for this. You are going to pay dearly for this. Ebo ama we hina se kema ya no juwa keke ya kema ya no wa baksu mani kema ya no ruma na wa ya mi ya me gbere Jesu o de nya wa eri Jesu o kan ade nya wa wo hie o kan ade nya wa van o kan ade nya wa ba be yori wa gbe woju wa usawe ni gazo weke o wa gbe woju wa usawe me gazo weke wa da gba mi no we se nu wa ke yawo no wa ju nunu iyari enu wa ga ju nunu iyari enu wa na ju nunu iyari enu o wa ga pe kaka yoyo e ma ya no we mu wa ya vele iya lesu wa he eri o wa jele ni Jesu Christ let you agree no pe when I me no negi agbe why is it pope ma ya una do si wo gbo sa we me ga zo we ge no wa kele wa na do le mi no ma khian wa na do gbo me wa ya fin when wa ya so many you are going to pay dearly for this wa we are where is there so pon ai da ifie mu gbon e gbo ejore are da ifie mu gbon e gbo emi ya no ka me ya di yo wa no legbe kun ni kun ya so say prayer line e ya gbi yo o di yo e ya di yo nu we kame o wa kan aba o we nu we legbe me ni me fo legbe me ya le luwe e ya di yo e ya o we o to no gberi except o for legbe mo lele we jori except o for legbe mo o lelo we na to tie wa ni wa na akun no more that zanzana do ladian wa yi ladian ne we na ya moye una ya moye wo we sultan water ministry una ya moye wo we we na do dam here ni kun ni o oni me no we akan no pe a proof ni you must give it to menwe ne kwa ya master no sis wa o we so a proof ni igbava a o menwe here we video yo a proof ni to almost story enu menwe without that we're thinking when maybe it burden we mana ukmona ya join for that good 7 days. Today is the day 2 of it. That good 7 days or you got to the no gain yari grave adinu eri awu ese next time wa me no na to wa mi ke na to u bori bato ma me ba wejale wa ke do no sense be sort of water ministry if you bogwa wa here na we me wa yazo wa here gbebe voju wa ya hiku ke no gossipy ba kokako wa vie ure yore ke no gossip me the no mana mie e mi no ma dege mi ni we sort of water ministry wa here ugwe kwa ya master ga maso wa here no gossip me ogedan ugwe kwa ya master o ga maso wa ya no gossip me ogedan uwa izelio jaruja uwa wa mi e fana moti okin agarun wa gbe okin agarun wa ba akokako e fana moti nu wese na ya jore ya kiziga gbo nu wese na jore e ya kan kiziga gbo. That is the prayer for you. Nu wese na he no wese no nu wese na sisi wa gwo agbo ma yesi Zera gbon we dene na o ma iladia kete na no sa we me ka zo we gemu weji. You are now a piece of rag to the people. Ijore no ha ga take aga o we ido ye na ya pupa golo lele ran we here. E ma o say o we resort and water people fear me more than you. Game I will say e ba unya kanyaka lele ran we no mo ikuni ni akamawe edeni ihamawe we gebe ni ya modi anu we sort and water ministry we are wedges ohono ga wedo afie no baga ge ma usi ohono ga wedo ge ma usi mede idi ususu gwale be na ya gbe ju wa o we sort and water ministry ususu gwale then I yak behe, ti a bejo wa we settle water ministry. Ya do bejo wa. Me zenu wa we no we va deno de for na. Ne ka efese no mo marie woni. Me zenu wa so wa gbakun wa ikun fo ne. We na are sort una vie the video una mo fie sort and water ministry. No wa degi ye ke bokoro. No wa degi ye ke sort and water ministry. Ego me hi no wa en. Ego me hi no wa. Yeki. Na amuye ke dake amuye ke iye kamudai egume hinu wa ijore no wi omoze egume hinu wa well okay maybe no ikwe certainly you don't know who is queen certainly you don't know who is queen. I will tell you where ikbele o balaka it is not a danger they are modi anojo gema o se amo hoju wegbe dene na I do that for you Jori. Yes, so take your time my benijahia modi anohe take your time Jori. I am not that child that you are gay. Then ni me gason ati ela no we o me no sa ya ma me he be we na o we ado ya hai boss e bu da so boss e we ma na agbevi okun we yo tori ohuje ma ya mi achievement ni wonu achieve ni una do won ya gi yo you will regret this you are going to regret this ebo ama we say ikpiya me I will tell me making a wage but akase no saya women me akase no saya women me keni me dege be majori kono anyi balaka ja yin sok biso take time Jori, take time. It not even iran on your baby me or him me say oh your monoke can she does not know me, he does not know me. Not illusion on your baby. Only one woman squad. A energy. No, anyone who give her. You don't even know who is Usaboni Gazaway. You don't even know. Wahon. I will. But my very old art mess with. Here, okay, you just nika we. Imwinani yanguna omaba gwan kota go. Oru won pa ni me abe ka we je so dede be o seke ni me yebe sadini o choir master o hin mi mu. No me do me never dagbo cause ma a live video wo na do we. Ijori. E ma re ministry we. Rude koni. Hey, ikone no ko friend anytime I will go back in. Oh, free. Mo ikone ni. O baby bo hen. Even na zen wo so. No mo baby ya hen. Take time. Ahwe idegbe de nejo. 7 days in to wa gba. Ahwe ide no ejo. Iyahwe ide no ejo. Unie ide no ejo. Igare 7 days yare cemetery. Ya hinu Evani eyana hinu wa imi wano ati osawe me gazo wegi you borrow another person leg your leg more money koni aragba meji ya je luwa ya sedofo ya ga ya samowa igo ni wa hun wa diari e ya ga ya sangbo wa kokako igo ni wa hun wa diari e that is a million why. That is a million ubai. No wala. Oh money. Why no man wa go to menwe. Aka wo to back on ne di o wodi no kamuruwe. Iya gwa be degbe muruwe. Very yo. I do na phone. Then my we do je gbe ari na da. Ado je gbe ari na da. O igara son. No de ade yawe. Adane ne mudi ayo. Ason ma bo yan vanbu. Ikoya master ageleri ho wa gume. Ason wa pagbe nejo. Wa di wa zorwe negbe e o ma na ri go gwa gume te jo e ba me bai me ason hi ate ya pagbe nu e baby hu te ya pagbe nu ohun pe awon ko no we mi si ne te ya pagbe nu e po li e ke ba pa no ro e ko te ya pagbe except e wa top o ta be mi ya no ta lo mo menwa no ju menwa aro bi e me la video ge o mai kan ni de o e menwa hi ale la di an do ta we ele kun ni ga mo ebo gbin yin la video we osunu abi nu gba o menwa e la jan do ti yebo an le de na we wa hia muru me abi nu gba ine kemi le lo mo ipe ne dai o viu son we yin ke mo vi ara no pe ni no ne gagbe o viu sen e o menwa we yin ke mo vi ara no pe ni no ne gagbe iye ka lelewe iya e ya bowe rudawe nuna temata jiwoki ebe kesori owe ijore bene iya e ya bowe kosope nu ke gbo menwa o mai no me one day we nana e mata gele no kwa master go one wa o wa we presenter wa hin mai tie me one day nu go ke go me ne koni ne de mata gele no de kwa master go go my dear Huage o my hen up when you when I don't ever send me. Remember here, man. It has zero so can go waven you in Waume. How more baby ya go waven you in Waume. A my yanni give me quivani, or can go waven you in Waume. A my here, ni give me quivani, or can go waven you in Waume. You must have me, you know, you have a message in later. What baby nigga high. So, what was it? So, you know. Wababa. Why are we baby nigga high? I see you, Jojo. God bless you. Why are we wasi? Why wasi? O tornado yan aketi ejori. Me I work 7 days in ani. O tornado yan aketi ejori. O tornado yan ga iwo tornado na yan do ari awo lero. Yan aketi ejori. Imasa me you know ya tebe ni talo. O ma no ju wa keni nu wa gi ohun ni. Wa ya avi ya ladi. O mo no gi wo hun joy to we avi o ladi. Ebo ama wese. Hello je. Wala Mama later. Awo susu. Uno kiro no jilawa. Omo nu wa pie no monitor spirit ni. Nu wa we no monitor osawe megazo wegi. Emi ni mana opa ma eva. O wa hia o akun ya ladin. Either you feel mu gbo. This is just the beginning of the journey. Because a journey in Waalana, a journey of no return. Oh, walking a lab boss of Megazo would be a journey in Waalana talking as so be a big a bonnet can't in a garden of a dagunwa. What a time! What a time! What a time! Oh, money no be wahuni. Who can no one no wayaga so money to worry a laddie. Without that, you will never know peace. No joy, no happiness. E maya no giwahuni, no reformation in no nijore gie. We no do atemi ne kuni ma boy. O wa hi ami regbe. Ave na buy no pe pogodo. O wa ami ba lo regbe. O ba lo no se o wa ami regbe. O ma no reformation in wa. O wa avie yala. O wa avie yala. Wa bebe ne ge kai.